na Outsparing Show and a VTFM.
We're sending morning vibes to all our friends who are tuning in this morning. We say Andrew Benaka to all the friends tuning from the 14 provinces of Fiji. And asar ba turang tinig ba non ba no lo mali asar ba turang ito Luis Andrew Benaka. Nakaun Robin buwa ke maduate. Andrew Benaka dem Andrew Benaka Ellen.
Andrew Benaka. Good Andres. Good Andres to everyone tuning in this fine morning.
To everybody now. Some people there want to sleep. They start their sleeping hours now. Because they are long shift night.
Yes.
Ren rambungi may pambalawen nambongi.
Right.
Now we thank them for their possibilities to become a daylight sleeper.
And please, when they are sleeping, don't disturb them.
Don't let your hearing disturb their hearing.
Okay, what if one father, one dad, going home now, knocking off from work, and the mother at home wants massage?
Mama, control your emotions.
Wait.
Be a multi-skills of whatever you are. Be a patient human beings on the earth.
Wala kita matabibiyo nana. And she needs attention.
Attention, go to the hospital.
Hey,
with daddy.
You know, you are not a good daddy.
No, we are not. We go together to the hospital. I leave you in the hospital there. And we video call from home.
Okay, right. What do you think we sucho taka?
Yes.
So like okay, iko kila because some people after knocking off early in the morning, they go home and mix 2 bags again.
Are
mekani baka mo.
Yes.
Because many of them, when they knock off, like in the middle of the night, they want to sleep, but they can't. But because they're working. So when it's daytime, you know that feeling of sleepiness, it goes away.
Some of us we can sleep in the daytime.
Even
though how hard our eyes need to shut them in the corresponding of the
corresponding order.
Of the earth.
You can, because it's like a habit of your life to stand still with the sunlight of the photosynthesis in the working system.
Dina sar, eso tu rende ni romo ni single we. Eso tu rawa. Aku sambo mo te oceran tonan dana tapan bunikau.
Already. Who's that Mogul?
Yes, on the modi to tapan bunikau.
Some people, myself when I was young in primary school, like class 6, I have a tree house.
Oi!
Yes. I use the step kung nakamba-kamba ni Ndabo double bank.
Right.
I use the step.
Yes.
I put it as a
bed.
As a bed.
You remove the step from the bed.
I'm not remover.
He's a joiner.
The thing was there. They was playing around. We use it like for carry rubbish in school.
Right.
You put the rubbish in the cover, put it up, and then somebody in front.
Right.
From there, I took it and put in the.
So you choro the thing from the school.
That means
it's not choro, it's rubbish.
You started technology.
We started technology.
So you choro from the school. You choro.
Not choro. I'm not pleased.
And then what happened?
And happened is that I built a house on a tree, so people coming together. One day when I was sleeping on the tree, in the daytime, I'm not sleeping in the nighttime. In the daytime, I was sleeping there. But people come, hey, how you do? How I dash. Oh, How you do? I dash.
Kemudian nakanta me ana sona batakali bakasama ba ndo ado mebikenda. Baka bure bakasama bikenda na itu seri talon inde mesena matani kwa.
Right.
And you imitate what?
Imitate how to
imitate the owl.
Imitate the owl. Lamangori. Abaka ne bola ni Willy. I had the owl call me. You know, it's very. I was in like that. We stay in the time like this because we watch movie. We watch people from Philippines. From China. They build the house on the
tree.
And they're very skillful.
Yes.
Where there is dangerous. They build the house there.
Yes.
Dinasar.
They take risks.
But risk was there too.
So you alone in the tree or your friends?
No, together with friends, they coming together. We do the tete call first. Then we build the house.
170 kg friend.
Huh?
70 kg.
That was 70 kg.
Okay, wala na itu kutukar mata di kuah. Ato na may na budikaw kituran daw wasa-wasa.
Right.
Nangari dems.
The
crab.
Yeah.
Okay, basudo ba?
The crab. some of us we like this.
Iyo.
When we see the kaikoso,
Yes.
Iyo.
we eat the kaikoso. When we open the kaikoso,
Right, iyo. Right.
you see some crab there, the small one.
Yes.
White one.
Yeah, the small one.
Yes,
small
yes,
one.
yes.
Some of us said that the mother of the crab is the kaikoso.
No.
You believe in that?
Oh, sitor
no,
lang, ba't
no.
natin yung bulaw ito eh?
No, I don't think so.
Eh?
Yeah, because the clam, nangoy tugo kinailaman ni Wai, it
Yeah.
opens and shuts, so it needs to eat.
All right.
That's when the small baby crabs, sedap.
Yeah, continue.
Yeah.
That's from your
Yeah,
photosynthesis.
yes, that's
Naman
from
naman-
my
Yeah.
intelligent
Alright.
AI.
Iyo.
Okay. So that's how some people said.
Yes.
But when you goes to a crab,
Yes.
Okay.
when you goes to a crab, in a crab, did you ever see a egg like the prawn? They have the egg here, the stomach. They are forming tumbatinikitan rabango. Did you ever see?
I don't remember.
Makabiyaw? Because that's the only place the eggs will be, eh?
Yes.
Yeah. Did you ever see?
Iya, makabiyaw.
Siya ko siya bernira.
Maybe the egg is different.
Yeah, I don't know where they coming from. Because
Okay.
I never seen because we see only the molting process within them.
Iyo, right.
Nango naman tao batu labo
Yeah.
mo kina.
Iya.
We only see the molting process, but I never saw any
Right.
to open up
A small
like
crab.
this.
Yes.
A small crab.
Iya.
To when we do the thing like this, but they have their own teeth in front of their eyes,
Right.
in the middle,
Yeah.
just like the prawn.
Yeah.
They have their teeth in front of their eyes,
Iya.
and their brain is there with their
Iya.
outlet. Ito na nakabukabok,
Right.
different form of creative.
Yes.
Create and
How unique.
iyo.
Ano na, okay.
Very unique.
Kebala na crab ko pa ulutelo ka talaga, eh?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, siya. Ano naman daw ko nakila?
Siya nga.
Yung kahapon ta octopus.
Octopus.
Iyo.
For me, I never saw so much octopus in their form of raising up their children in the sea because I'm a human being. Yeah?
Okay. Alright, right, okay. Iyo, okay. Wala ba na ika kwe ndrendre na nono dubasud.
Okay, some fish
Iyo.
they respect their birth.
Elders. Oh,
Iyo.
Yeah, they respect their birth.
Iyo.
Some they birth through the mouth.
Right.
Saan sina?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see some fish, they coming like this. They close to their children. Their children will be around within the compound.
Iyo.
When the enemy is coming like the prey,
Iya.
when the prey is around,
Yeah.
they performing to absorb the water from their mouth so that the baby comes in again to their mouth.
Oy!
Aran daw maroro bunta ka na lumen ray ngusun ra.
Sabi na.
Ganggang lu siguro men lu ben.
Yeah.
Oh, saan sina?
They
Very-
protect themselves
Oh,
from their
sarap.
mouth.
Hmm.
But some different. Some like this.
Yeah.
The turtle.
Iya.
The turtle, they are from the deep sea.
Right.
Yes.
They are from the sea.
Yeah.
When they comes to lay their eggs, they never lay their egg in the sea.
Yeah.
They come to the sand.
Right.
They
Right.
dig a hole,
Yes.
they
Yes.
put their eggs there,
Yeah.
they go back to the sea.
Iya.
And let their egg
Eggs
hatching,
hatch.
Yeah.
then they come back.
Right. Wana na bu.
Another thing.
Iya.
The fish.
Iya.
When a fish give birth, it's a thousand of babies.
Saan din na?
That's why some people, we are not allowed to catch this fish in this season.
Right,
Because their
right. Tambo
pregnancy,
season, eh?
their
Yes.
pregnancy process is occur
Yes.
that way.
Wana
Yes,
na bu.
yes.
Right.
So when you cut their
Please, respect,
Yes.
eh?
Yeah, when you cut, if you cut something
Yeah.
and you cut their stomach,
Yeah.
you will see in different form cornalupen kalalay.
Right.
Right.
In big form,
Yeah.
that's not a fish.
Ha?
That's a small fish.
Uy!
Yeah.
Saan din na?
Yes.
Biki mana kan damo mota tukurong ro pina bika deliver kan damo buli di sugar be mata be bakari kuwa ena non rabo sudu nangari ena non ramaro na lubenika
Right.
ena non da rokoboti ko na ngone di bakata tambu na kawa so na ikan dine baya
Listen,
ena
speak.
ngau na non rabo sudu na bonwe
Yeah.
so na kabaya do do mentana bakamuria membalata na non ram be ngon binaka na lubenda ena be singa ni mataka
Sometimes,
Iyo.
Landuna.
iyo
Landuna, when they want to give birth, even though they are from the top of the stream,
iyo
Yes.
Arto kami uluniway. When they want to give birth, they come right down to the mouth of the river.
saan
Some
din
do
na
not like that. They come in, they give birth there, they go up again.
iyo
So where there you are, then up to you want to follow or if we met again on the middle of the stream, they're gonna eat you again.
Oh.
We were to eat the babies again?
Yeah. Something like that.
Saan din na? Bikini no kada sabi na kada kimesa lakot sugman nandun ang nga pa sudod skina mondo sa sota mama sir nga mekakunikan ko na lubian.
Right. And likewise the snake.
Oy.
Yes.
The snake, when they give birth, they don't give birth on the nest or like something to keep them nicely.
Iyo.
They just tie their head like this.
Iya.
And they were forming a helicopter. Merah tata wini. Nga hindi mo ka na lubian ra.
Uy.
Nga hindi mo ka.
Right.
Sa buka sa ngay leway ko.
Bukaya kay Tony kuno si
Namo ka luto.
Orang matanggali ko. Dito man ay suya. Tingin to.
Land direct on the chest.
Yeah.
Okay, we have a
Sabi dito kay bugile sube kwa na lubeni ngata. This is how we formality.
Totoo mo tinang as palang siya matali ko lebar kanta bulita na bugin non rambula na bikambula.
Right.
Bula buliti kenta na pura-pura baru tagi kenta sig binani ko. Isa.
Seperti kay Binod Patel, ha?
Ano usara? Yawa.
Iko ay ka tu me kay liu.
Ika. Abari-bari.
Oy, nangata ba ya? Iya bikin na kanta na non rambulan na bikambula. Lagi ba kasama ta kanang gas kanyu-new.
Right.
Ya pokok mo tay reba lo ka talebe nga. Iyo.
Ungul daw sarang mutal.
Kandi.
Sarang mutal nota ko kana mo ko tarato ngagay bawir manding.
Iya.
Yan ang berur ba sudiro maningkele.
Iya.
Some of them,
Iya.
Baka nanay.
Iya. Nanay.
Iya kartuntur.
Right now, you're right.
Biki mami nakait so to ni wal nembaki.
Iya.
Wal nembaki ngay ontale. Yo biki mami menakoro kim tunga na kango. Tunga kim nakakalu.
Oy.
Right.
Bila kami mendekat dan untuk outs palang igor yan na mataka binakan ikuah hanggang indora nomor hat like matakin nomor share and matakan ko.